Can you trust online loans? No, one would want to fail with bad credit these days, and finding credit can be a big hassle, but online loans have come to the rescue. Online loans can solve your problems if you know how. The old traditional approach was offline loans. If you were a poor person and had problems, you applied to banks for money to get yourself back on your feet. Banks were very keen about giving people loans but found that people with low income frequently applied for loans. So, they instituted a loan scheme called the Guaranteed Access Scheme. This scheme allowed people with bad credit to get credit, but in order to qualify, you had to have a regular source of income. Can you trust online loans? Some online lenders are now doing this, but it may not work as well as in the past. You can still qualify for loans online, but it is much harder to get it if you have bad credit. The difference between offline and online loans is that online loans do not have a minimum income requirement for approval. Online lenders can approve a loan up to your estimated income. You need to make sure that you have a good financial plan. If you fall into the category of people who are looking for a loan, it would be best if you could work out a plan together with your lender. Then you can use that plan to analyze your credit history and assess if you can really afford to borrow money. If you meet the lender's criteria, then you will probably be approved. Make sure that you do not borrow more than you can afford to repay. That way, you will not have a massive repayment liability later. The truth is that many people do not pay their bills and get into trouble with money lenders. Sooner or later, you might fall into the same trap. So, be aware of that and try to keep your spending under control. This may mean that you need to seek some help. Easy Credit can help you find a decent loan without the hassles of applying and being turned down. You can do this at home, so that you don't have to go out of your house, or deal with your expenses.